So how can you get or access Google on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, at first, you should know that there are some Google services which have their own dedicated app on the Apple Watch. For example, the Google Maps, Google Calendar, or even like YouTube Music. Those, like if you look up Google into the App Store, you will see all of those apps which have their own platform on the watch, right? So you can get some of those services. However, if you specifically just want to open up like google.com, you can utilize your Siri on the Apple Watch where you just hold down on the digital crown if you have the Siri set up. And you can literally just say to open up Google, right? Or you can even look something up on the internet, something specific. Like you can literally just say something like a phrase or, I don't know, like a website or whatever. And Siri will most likely give you these suggestions, like, a couple of different websites or some things found on the internet. And you can click on it. And even though there isn't any like built-in web browser on the Apple Watch, there is this integrated one. So there isn't any like Safari browser app, but there is the ability to open up some links, which are either shared through messages or looked up like this, right? So you technically have the ability to open it up. You can even just go to Google, as we said, and just start typing something into the search and look it up, right? So there is the ability to do that. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.